Hi friends, welcome to Navin Math Foster YouTube channel. This is Navin Raidu. Today we are going to do trigonometry ratios 0 to 90 degrees sums. So this is last part of our trigonometry sums. Let's start class. So before saying the sum, I want to say that a practice work sum for you. After saying some examples, you people should do this one in your practice note. Let's start. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Evaluate. So this is our question. So before doing this, what you should think about? You should think about these values. Why I am giving only these values means a sine, cos, tan. If you have any secant or cot any value, if you want secant 30 value, we should go to cos 30. Just reciprocate that value. If you want a cosecant 45 value. So cosecant means what? Sine. Go to sine 45 value. Just reverse it. Root 2 by 1. Nothing but root 2. So if you remember this 3, it is enough for this sums. So for we are in starting stage, so that's why we are writing table for you. So let's start. 2 tan square 45. 2 of what is tan 45? 1. So in place of tan 45 write 1 and what? Here square is it. Square plus what is cos square 30. So cos square 30 means here only about 30 you should take. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Just in place of that root 3 by 2 and here square is the square. If square is not there, don't write a square. Next minus what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is nothing but cos 30. So root 3 by 2. Let's check. Root 3 by 2 and square is the square is equal to 1 1 is 1 plus root 3 square means root 3 square by 2 2 is 4 square root cancel minus same root 3 square by 2 2 is the square belongs to numerator and the denominator both square cancel and you have here 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 2 ones are 2. So here you should think that these two are like terms and it is a plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So cancel like 8 minus 8 0 4 minus 4 0. Only here we have 2. Next sum. Now if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3, tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b lesser than or equal to 90 degree, a is greater than b, find ab. So here you should think about tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 means what? Here. So tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. So what is a plus b? About tan you should think. What is tan of dash is equal to root 3? Let us check. Tan. Where is this? 60. Tan 60 is a root 3. So tan 60 degree is a root 3. So here what you should understand? A plus b is equal to 60. And next condition. Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. What is 1 by root 3 value in tan? Tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So we have two equations here. Here we should find a and b values. Now let us do with these two equations. A plus b, a minus b. So a plus by equation 1 comma 2, a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30. Sum of these two equations. Why? Because already here we have b plus and minus cancel. So here a plus a 2a, 60 plus 30 90. A is equal to 90 by 2. That is nothing but half of 90 is a 45 degree. So we have done with a. Find a and b. So what is b? Here in any place we can substitute the value in equation 1 or equation 2. Let us substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute a in equation 1. So what is a here? A plus b is equal to 60. 45 plus b is equal to 60. So 45 will be shifting to right side. B is equal to 60. Here it is plus, it is a minus here. 45 degree. So 60 minus 45. 45 after 55, 10 and plus 5, 15. So 15. So therefore A is equal to 45 degree, comma B is equal to 15 degree. So we're done with the second sum. Now next sum. Evaluate cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. So here you should think about substituting values. What is cos 45? It is a 1 by root 2. By what is secant 30? So you should think about a reciprocal. Secant reciprocal is a cos. What is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. If you reverse it up, means reciprocal 2 by root 3. So secant 30 is a 2 by root 3. Plus what is cosecant 30? Cosecant and sin are reciprocals. So what is sin 30 here? 1 by 2. So here 2 by 1. That's why I wrote only these three values for you. In starting stage, you should focus on these three. You can substitute other values with this reciprocals. Next. So from here, you should not disturb numerator. It is same 1 by root 2 by here do LCM for this root 3 2 plus 2 is multiplying with root 3 2 root 3. Next 1 by root 2 same numerator is there and here 2 plus 2 root 3. Let us do reciprocal for this root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3 and then what is common in this 2? 2 is common. So here you can write it as a 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 of 1 plus root 3. So here this 2 is multiplying, here relation is multiplication. 2 root 2 of 1 plus root 3 you can write. Next step. So in numerator root 3 is same, 1 by root 3 is root 3 and 2 root 2 of 1 plus root 3. Here you should think about what is in denominator 1 plus root 3. Rationalizing denominator. Rationalizing denominator means this root 3 by 2 root 2 is same. For clarity, I am writing it as 1 by 1 plus root 3. Just rationalizing denominator means 1 plus root 3. For your convenience, I am writing root 3 first. Root 3 plus 1. So rational denominator means exactly opposite sign. Root 3 minus 1. So here everything is same root 3 by 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by it is looking like a plus b of a minus b means what? A square minus b square. For that is the reason we want to avoid this root I involve this a plus b of a minus b formula. So root 3 square minus 1 square. So root 3 of root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 of root 3 square. This square root cancel 3 minus 1. Here you should observe that 2 root 2 of 2. Next step. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 square minus 1. Root 3 into minus 1. Root 3 by 2 root 2 of 2. In denominator here it is cancelled. 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 of 2. So these two are multiplying in denominator 4 root 2. 3 minus root 3. 4 root 2. And I want to avoid this root 2 in denominator. What I should do? Multiplying numerator and denominator with the root 2. So root 2 by root 2. So 3 minus root 3 of root 2 by 4 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 square cancel. 4 2s are 8. If you want, you can multiply this 3 root 2 minus root 6. So you can end up to here. So students, if you like my class, please hit on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And to get latest notifications, please click on bell button. Thank you.